So we are still on number 35, and we are finding the solution for cosine square of x plus 2 sine x is equal to 3. Now, so far, we have obtained these values for sine x, and we will now write the general equation for the, or the general form of the solution for this one. So x1 would be equal to, now let's retain the original form, which is the exact value for sine x. So x1 is sine negative 1, or the arcsine of 1/4 plus square root of 5 over 4, or that's also equal to, this is 2 pi n, and x2 would be equal to pi minus arcsine of this value plus 2 pi n. Okay? For x3, which we will deal with this form, that would be equal to x3 is equal to arcsine of 1/4 minus square root of 5 over 4 plus 2 pi n, and also x4, which is the alternate version of this. That would be pi minus arcsine of 1/4 plus square root of 5 over 4 plus 2 pi n. Now, the formulas or the solutions for this would give us x1 would be equal to, we have 3 pi over 10, okay? Plus 2 pi n. Or that would be x2. That would be pi minus this one, that would be 10 over 10, so that would be 7 pi over n plus 2 pi n. For x3, that would be negative pi over n, or negative pi over 10 instead, plus 2 pi n. Okay, and x4 will be equal to 11 pi over 10 plus 2 pi n. Now take note that our solution should only be from 0 to 2 pi and excluding 2 pi. So all the rest here, we could find that when n is equal to 0, then the solution set would be equal to x is equal to this one, 3 pi over 10, because after that, you know, you cannot do anything more with adding one revolution, because that will give you more than 2 pi. And then we also have 7 pi over 10, okay, because that's less than 2 pi, and negative pi over 10 couldn't be, because it should begin from 0, so we have to get the next revolution of this. So the coterminal after this, after one revolution, would be 19 pi over 20, or 19 pi over 10. And lastly, we will have 11 pi over 10. So these are the answers. So the solution set includes 3 values, which are this is the solution set of this problem number 35. So we are finished with lesson 7-4. The next video will present lesson 7-5, which is about parametric functions. So in this lesson, we are given equations for a parametric function, and we will plot the graph and make conclusions about the geometric figure that results. So once again, thank you for watching videos on lesson 7-4, and I hope that somehow it helped you to be enlightened, and it should have given you an understanding of the problems involved in trigonometric functions, especially in arcsine, arccosine, and arctangent. So once again, have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.